Alright, so this is what the clutch pedal's doing, or the clutch cable. This is groans. This is it on the outside. You see the whole cable's moving. Firewall moves back and forth a little bit too. And I have it as loose as possible. So it's on the loosest it can be. See down there, about average. It doesn't groan down here, it just groans at the firewall. And now it's only moving a couple inches. It's hard to see, but the dots are lined up. I know it's hard to see though, but they are. Hopefully that helps. They're lined up. And I mean, it's tapping the throwout bearing, or the throwout bearing's tapping something. So I think the throwout bearing is working. And like I said, I adjusted it all the way to the edge. Keep going. See, it's on the lowest adjustment. And you can see as it goes farther forward it goes, it starts to groan. So I'm wondering if there's something wrong with throwout bearing. There's plenty of looseness in the cable.
Ready?
Yeah. It's just that last couple inches on the bottom. So any ideas?